Episode 1, pollution. Now, what we're doing are, us humans are polluting the ocean in a lot of different ways. One big issue is that we dump trash and oil into the water, either directly or through storm drains. This includes things like plastic bottles, bags, and even toxic substances. Another problem comes from sewage and chemicals used on farms. When it rains, all that waste gets washed in the rivers and eventually flows in the sea. Episode 2, pollution. Again. Now, abiotic effect is this pollution doesn't just look gross. It changes the physical and chemical makeup of the ocean. It lowers the water quality and messes with the pH levels. And that makes it a lot harder for marine life to survive. Over time, this can lead to the creation of dead zones, areas in the ocean where there's almost no oxygen, making it impossible for most life to exist. Biotic effect. Pollution also harms the animals that live in the ocean. For example, sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and end up eating them, making them sick or even killing them. Fish and other marine life struggle to survive in these polluted areas. Polluted waters, especially near dead zones where oxygen is almost gone. Thank you.
Episode 3, overfishing. Overfishing is another major issue. We are talking to many fish out of ocean too quickly, not giving population enough time to recover. On the top of that, a lot of fishing practice use huge nets and heavy gears that drag along the ocean floor. This doesn't just catch fish, it also destroys habitats that other species depend on to survival. Episode 4, overfishing. Abiotic effect. Destructive fishing and overfishing destroys the natural configuration of the ocean boom. The sediment of distribute and useful ecosystems like coral reef are damaged and destroyed. The reefs are of extreme importance to health and ecosystem balance of the ocean. Biotic efforts. When we remove too many fish, it shows off the food chain. Predators like sharks end up with more food and starting desailing. At the same time, small species that depend on coral reefs and seafloor habitats for shelter lose their homes, making them more likely to die out.
Episode 5, coastal development. Cut that. What we're doing, humans love building near the ocean, but that comes with a cost. Coastal development, like building cities, resorts, and ports, often happens on the shoreline, and these projects can destroy natural areas like wetlands and mangrove forests, which greatly protect the coast and filter water. And without those, our ecosystems
Episode 6, coastal development abiotic effort. When we change the natural landscape of the coast, it causes erosion and messes with natural world partners. Wetland and mangroves that used to help flavor water are removed. Some more runoff and population are end up in the ocean. Biotic efforts. Coastal development pushes animals out of their natural habits. For example, sea turtles can't nest on beaches covers in building lines, fishing and birds losing their breeding area, and that are lead to drop in population over time.